before that, what is preposition?
Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the sentence. Here are some common examples of preposition.
We already identified the meaning of preposition. Let's proceed to the different types of preposition. First is direction. It gives a reader a sense of place or location. For example,
look to the left and you will see your destination.
okay, let's have another example.
All of us went to the guidance office.
And again, our preposition here is the word to.
Let us now proceed to the preposition of time. Preposition of time allows you to discuss a specific time period.
For example, we've been doing our project since this morning. So our preposition of time here is the word since, which is referring to the time when the action happened.
We're done with the preposition of time and direction. So, let us now proceed to the preposition of location. For example, we watched a movie at the theater. The preposition within the sentence is the word at, which refers to the specific location of something. Okay, so we're done with the preposition of location. So, let us now proceed to the preposition for agent.
Viewers, we're done discussing the different types of preposition. So again, let's review.
The types of prepositions.
Direction, agent, location, and time. Okay, we're done discussing about the preposition, but before that, don't forget to subscribe!